Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you the video that I was trying to make for a long period because you really enjoy this square. Many of you ask me how to make these beautiful squares. I use them for multiple purposes, like you can make blankets, bags, cardigans. It's perfect because there are no holes and it's very simple. We have just to make one row pattern is single crochet. I will just show you some no seam, how you will just continue, and as you can see there is no seam. It looks perfect, it's absolute square, and for bottoms or other projects it's just the best. And you can use any yarn. I'm using cotton because I'm going to make a cotton bag that I will share with you later. And I have started multiple of projects with this square because they are beautiful. Want to make some cardigans, I think they will look nice, and some blankets. As you may see, this square is perfect. Once you hot steam, it will be absolutely flat like this one, and you can use it for anything you want. So I'm going to show you right now how to make this one in no time because it's very simple. You don't have to count the stitches, you don't have to join the rows. Everything is just one row pattern that you will keep by making this increase of 3 single crochet. So let me just show you the beginning. So you may use absolutely any yarn and the matching hook. We are going to start with the magic ring. So just grab the yarn, place it on your 2 fingers, then you have to make an X like this, then just turn, go under one yarn, grab the second, twist, and then yarn over and pull through the loop. So you have the magic ring, and now we are going to make 8 single crochet. So insert your hook inside the magic ring, grab the yarn, you have 2 yarn on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2 once, 1 single crochet, insert, grab the yarn, yarn over, pull through 2, you have 2, 1, 2, insert, grab the yarn, 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2, you have 3, insert, grab the yarn, 4 single crochet, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So row 1 is done. We have 8 single crochet. You can count them: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then you can pull the tail to close the magic ring. So we are going to start immediately with increase of 3 into the very first one. I'm going to make 3 single crochet. So 1, and into the same one you put the hook and make the second one, and into the same one you put the hook and you make the third. So 3 single crochet, 1, 2, 3 from the same stitch. Into the next one we put just 1 single crochet, then into the next we put 3 single crochet, 1, 2 and 3. Into the next one we are going to put 1 more. I'm so sorry, I have a crochet buddy here. Sometimes she is annoyed, so I will try to let her stay calm. So I have 1 increase, so 3 single crochet, then 1, then 3 single crochet, then 1 single crochet, and into the next one we are going to make 3. 1, into the same stitch 2 and 3, and then we are going to make 1 single crochet. So we created like 1 corner is here, 1, and the third one, and we need to make the 4th corner here. So I make another increase of 3 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, and here our last 8 stitch. So I make, and here, as you may see, we are not going to join the row or slip stitch. We will continuously, like in a spiral, make increases. So here was our increase of 3. 1, 2, 3. Into the first one you are going to make just 1 single crochet, but in the center of increases, in the second stitch of the increase, we are going to make another increase of 3. So I'm going to make 1, 2 and 3. So into each center of the increase we are going to make an increase of 3. That's the only thing you have to do, and you will have this beautiful square. So here we have another increase. Into the first one just 1, but into the center of this increase, into the center stitch, I'm going to make another increase of 3. 1, 2 and 3. So I will crochet 1 single crochet into each stitch until I don't see the center stitch of the previous increase. So here is increase. So when I see this center stitch, I'm just making 3 single crochet. 1, 2 and 3. Then I will crochet 1 single crochet into each stitch, and then when I see the increase, I will make increase into the center stitch. So as you may notice, it's a very simple pattern. You don't have to count the rows, the stitches, just the desired size of the square. And just as I mentioned, you have to make an increase here in the center stitch of 3, and you will get these lines. I will show you here. So they're not that visible, and actually it gives some nice, I think, geometry to this square, but it's a very beautiful. So these flat squares are very versatile. You can make them of different colors, sizes, and even, you know, change colors, and they have no holes, so it's perfect for many projects. I think you can keep making this, and if you still have questions, please ask me in the comments below.